This video tutorial demonstrates how to use Raven's multi-line display option to simultaneously see a longer period of time and finer temporal detail than what you'd see in Raven's default single-line display. For this demo, I'm going to use the black-capped Vireo recording from Raven's examples folder, which I've already opened here. For now, I'm going to hide the waveform, and I'll adjust the brightness and contrast for a clearer image. By default, when Raven opens a sound, it shows the entire duration of the sound, which in this case is around 20 seconds. At this timescale, the sound is compressed enough that I can't really make out any details of the song's structure. If I play the song, it's also hard to make out any details of the song's structure because the bird sings very fast. Recall that I can hear more details of the song if I slow it down, say to 1/4 speed. I can do that by clicking in the rate field and entering 0.25, and then I can click play again. Now I can hear more detail, but I can't see the detail I can hear. In order to see more detail, I can zoom in horizontally, but now I can only see a little over 5 seconds at a time. If I want to see the full length of the sound file and simultaneously see more detail in the time dimension, I can have the spectrogram display over multiple lines by entering how many lines I want to see here in the side panel. So for example, to see 4 lines, now the full 20-second file is displayed over 4 lines with around 5 seconds per line reading from top to bottom. Notice how much more detail of the song's structure is visible when it's spread out over 4 lines like this. If I reset the playback to normal speed and play the sound, we can see that the playback wraps around from the first line to the second, and so on. If you have both the waveform and the spectrogram displayed in a multi-line window, Raven gives you 2 options for how to group the lines of the 2 views. In the default Group by View arrangement, all the lines of each view are together. If we switch to Group by Time, the waveform and spectrogram lines are interleaved by time. The number of lines that you can usefully display this way is limited only by the size of your monitor. On this laptop display, I can usefully display 5 or maybe 6 lines. On a larger external monitor, 8 or 10 lines would still be easily usable. So experiment with this to find out what works well for your particular screen size and workflow. Thanks for watching.